are assembling the slimline Easter truck. Now I have already started some of the process on these pieces. So I guess what I'll start with here is just start with the insert with the carrots. So your base piece, you want to cut whatever color you want the stems of your carrot to be. Mine are green. And I am going to, I've already put 2 of them on, and the center one I'm going to pop with some foam tape. There we go. So this is a slimline card. It fits in a business number 10 envelope. I do have one on the website. I noticed when I downloaded it and tested it, it was slightly off. So that one has been updated. Now I've already put together these 2 pieces. There's one that goes behind to be the pads on the feet, and I'm popping my feet, and I'm going to pop the tail. So now my slimline card, if you had purchased it in the past, you can just download it again. The envelope, the slimline envelope. It was a little bit smaller than the number 10 envelope. I don't know why. I might have looked up maybe a different number when I made that one. But I've been making the files to fit number 10, so I updated the envelope. Maybe I made it a number not 9. I don't know. Who knows? So that's pretty quick. So those are the 2 inserts. And because I've done the inserts this way, this piece will be the front of my truck. This piece is the back, and I'm going to go ahead and put these together just so that I keep in my head straight which side is what. Okay, so on the front we have a door. You'll see a rectangle piece in the file. That is for the handle. So if you want to do it silver, if you want to do it a darker color to the truck, if you don't want to do it, if you don't mind the handle just being the same color, just don't cut this piece out. Leave it the way it is. I would suggest putting this piece on first, because then that's going to line up your door and everything else is going to fall into place once you have this piece on. And I'm actually, I do want my wheels on top. I've also used some dimensional tape for my wheels. I've already put one together. The white is the white wall on your tire, and this is supposed to be gray, but it looks kind of creamish. This is supposed to be a silver hubcap. So let's put our door on next. And it lines up right with the curve on this fender. That's why I said it would be easier to put that piece on first. This is a little piece of the windshield. And then you have your side window. There's nothing too difficult. It's just getting all the pieces put on for the detail. Now these pieces, there's two. So your headlight is a solid shape that incorporates this back piece, and then you just want to put this on, and this is your headlight. And you just want to find a place that you want to put that here. You could pop that with a little bit of foam tape maybe. Let's see. At first I thought it might have been too small, but looking at it now, I think it would be okay. I'm going to use the other half of this for the tail light. It's done the same way as far as the red piece being the full piece, and then this just layers on it. So if you do decide to use some foam tape, you'll want to make sure your headlight is back far enough that the sticky part is not hanging over. And then I'm going to put on the tail light, just like that. So the front is done, and now this piece here, this is your grill, and it goes right there. This is when a fine tip bottle will really come in handy for gluing all these little pieces down. I'll just slide that right on there. There we go. And then this is for your sentiment on the back. And now I am going to do my inserts. I'm going to fold the tabs, but then I'm going to open them up flat. I'm going to put glue on this tab. And what I'm going to do is lay it down here inside. And I'm going to push it over. And what I'm doing is I'm gluing it to this side piece right here. The reason I stand the card up is so it's level. I don't have to worry about whether or not I'm gluing it into the right place, because when everything is standing. So the same process, you're going to lay this just right in front of the first insert. Bring your side over, and now you're gluing this up from that second one. Just like that. Now, the side of this is the other side, over on this side, and I'm just going to fold this over and glue it to these two tabs. So I'm going to put glue on these tabs. Now I'll bring this over. Glue that to it. I'm going to put glue on this tab. And I'm going to slide it right in here. My foam pieces here are making it a little wonky, but there it is. There is the Easter Slimline truck card. Thank you for joining me.